Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to remove object from video by CapCut application on your iPhone. So the first thing you have to do, open your CapCut, and here I already opened mine and I already have the video that I want to remove the objects from. So I would like to remove these fonts from this video, and the things that you have to do is just go into the overlay, and now we just need to go click add overlay, and we need to import the same video with our primer video on the project, and then after that just go click add. Now we already have the same video, but then one is for primer object primer video and the other one for overlay. Now we need to resize in it so that the size could be the same, and after that we just need to jump into this button features. This button features, you just need to slide into the left side until you found a mask. So this part, you just need to go click it, and after that you just need to go click circle, and now you just need to adjusting the sample for this background, for example this one. And after you're done choosing the background, just go click this check spot, and after that we just need to resize in it, resizing the overlay video by pinch with two of your finger, and after that just go bring and drag this part until it's cover the phone. Make sure that you put the correct line with the background, and whenever you're done you just need to go click random part, and there you go, the phone is now disappear. So that's the way how to remove an object from the video on a CapCut application. If you find that this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.